Welcome back, everyone, on this lovely Monday, last week of the month. Well, technically, no, we got one more day. That's on we got Monday, Tuesday next week. Sorry about that. But hopefully everyone had a good weekend. Huge heat wave coming here in New York. It is going to be extremely hot. So, you know what? There's no better place to stay in air conditioning with you guys, doing some trading. A lot of big news this weekend. Good to see you, Lawrence, Michael, Gillis, Lynn, everyone, Philip, Randy, everyone. Welcome here in the trading floor and everyone here on social media. Crazy week. Okay. So whoever thought that, we would be bombing and, Iran on a Saturday, really put the markets in some really unpredictable moves. And there have been some big stocks that have been obviously affecting by it. Oil, military stocks. We'll talk a little bit about that. But the real big move I want to talk a little bit about before we get into the watch list, everything, HIMS is getting crushed. You know that the big news that everything's been going on regarding about the weight lossing drug, HIMS has made a killing on it. Rose making a big kill on it. We posted it this morning. News came out. Wegovy got pulled. Nuvo and Eli Lilly pulled their drugs away from them. So I guess they got to the point where they find they're shooting themselves in the foot. I have no idea what HIMS is going to do. Or Roe's going to do. I don't know if they did on Roe. I mean, HIMS and Roe are two different companies, but I don't know what if they pulled it on them too. But HIMS obviously is not a good sign. It has been a great short. I am actually ecstatic because I had it and I sold it, thank God. And this is just basically bad luck. And this shit happens. But let me tell you what's going to happen, everyone. A little education for all of us. You've all been here some point in our lives. We've been in the stock and things like this happen, okay? So one of the big things we teach you at CyberTrading University is how do you deal with this? And just a quick little tip, just to let you know, is this. You don't average down. Rule number one. Number two, take your loss before it gets bigger, because if HIMS goes back down to 20 and you could get out at 49, even though you could have got out just a little while ago at 65, 62, no problem. And if you want to recuperate it, you could short it. Yeah, I know that too. We're going to talk about that Archer too. I own that stock. I'm like, you know what? I'm not down too much on it. Richard, I own it at 1040. It's better than 12, but that's another thing. We'll talk a little bit about that too also. But the good, on the positive side, a couple of good stocks. So Thursday, I did jump in some of the military stocks. So I was looking at all of the military stocks. I end up going in with RTX. You could see that Lockheed Martin's really not moving too well, but the RTX obviously moving up, probably up the better of the two. The only issue with a lot of these military stocks is that they're expensive. Okay, RTX, Lockheed Martin, Boeing. I mean, Boeing really just went up. They're not up that much. I mean, I hear some of the analysts talking about them on TV, about this and everything. Long term, I'm not really seeing them too much. Oil on the other side, they're predicting oil to go up to $80 a barrel, maybe even a little bit higher. We were talking about Boyle a little bit later. Boyle's starting to go down a little bit. A couple of oil stocks, obviously, are moving too. But Tesla's doing pretty well. That got a little bit of a move. I would keep a very close eye on Tesla, because Tesla, I like the Fausto flag, okay? The Fausto flag is coming to, a little bit better. If we can get a little bit of a gap up, just a little bit higher, you could break through this resistance levels, you could do pretty well on it. Remember, we did chase this stock all the way from 212 all the way to 362, and it had a nice little correction here when they had the Trump fight, the divorce. And then sure enough, we're right back where we are. So there was another opportunity to jump back into it. Now, a couple of stocks that we did trade on Friday that were pretty good. I just want to touch upon those before we actually go through the watch list again. So a couple of them, Lucy was a really nice move on Friday. That stock ran from 260 to 450. Nice little 100% move. Nice stock. SRM, another nice little mover on that stock too. $9 to $13. Stock has been a good swing trade and a great day trade. RKLB, another really nice move on Friday. Right at the gate, went from 27 to 30. And that pretty much does it. Okay. So that does it. Now, remember what we always say. Mondays are a little bit difficult, okay? People come back from the weekend. This was a beautiful, gorgeous weekend here in New York. A lot of people, first weekend of summer, I think, that didn't rain. Now we got this big heat wave that's finally here after raining for 7 weeks. Now we finally got some heat. So Mondays, I would just be a little careful. There, like I said, but the only thing that's going to affect is that now you got this war that's going on. And you got this. There's going to be a lot of stocks that are getting affected by it, and oil and everything else. Military stocks, keep an eye on it. There are going to be other stocks that are going to come into play. So we're going to keep a close eye on all those. So let's put a couple of stocks on the watch list. Now, obviously, HIMS has nothing to do with it, but HIMS could be a good short. So put HIMS on the watch list. HIMS. Now there are ETFs. HIMZ is out there. So you got a couple of the ETFs that are out there. You'll basically you'll see that that's showing up over here. Nuvex, another one. It's Nouveau, actually. That's the ETF. And Nouveau. Why does it not come up? Yeah, there it is. And there it is. There's no data coming up. It's like, why is it not coming up? So Nouveau, you could see it. Big run up, 80 down to 60. So that's coming down a little bit, Nouveau. I don't know why it's taking a big hit so much. Oh, it's down about $5. NVO, there it is right there, Nouveau. And what happened to Eli Lilly? Did I help that out a little bit, the news? No, not really. Not really, but Nouveau's obviously taking a hit from those two stocks. All right. Over here on the big percentage gainers, what's going on here? This is a pharmaceutical stock. It's up a lot. Let's pass on that one. This one gapped up, but it's on a downtrend. We've been trading the stock the last couple of days. You can see it right from 50 cents up to 350. Don't like the trend. There's a buyout right here. This one, big pop-up, came back down. Robbins Energy. I like this stock. We made some good money on this stock. RBNE. Let's keep an eye on that one. That one did pretty well for us also. CRMD making a 52-week high. Nice little push right there. Spread is ugly. Volume is okay. We'll put this on a B list. CRMD. We trade that stock before. HCAI got destroyed, hammered from $10 all the way down to a whopping $1. Looks like it's making a big move this morning. Don't like it gapped up and it went back down. So we're going to put this on a B list. HCAI. By the way, I'm just going to hop over here on level 4 and show you what's going on with HIMS right here. So you see HIMS is really taking a hit. Next biggest buyers here down here, 45. So it's really no buys. A lot of red balls, big red balls, which means a lot of transactions going off on the bid. That means people are selling. All right, this one looks pretty cool. RZLV, great volume, 4.6 million. Good spread, cheap stock. Let's go check out and see where the orders are. What do you say? Let's go see what's going on over here. All right. What we got here? 240, 230, no real buyers. I don't like how pretty these orders are. They don't look as nice as like when you look at NVIDIA and stuff. See these orders out here? Tesla, we see the orders out there? Not really that nice on that one. But anyway, it's a pretty good looking stock. Cheap, right up our alley. And right now we broke 10% in pre-market, so we're going to pass on this one. This is interesting. Looks like it gapped up a lot and came crashing down. Wow. All right, any other big losers taking big hits over here? Compass. Wow, that one's getting crushed. New York Stock Exchange, IBO. Put this on your watch list. IBO, that one's moving up pretty nicely. IBO. Let's go check out and see the orders out there. Put on level 4. All right, so we got some orders out here, $120 and $150, 100,000, 100,000, 80,000. All right, so it looks, you can see they already tested there in pre-market and came back down. So nice little stock. Yeah, that's our resistance levels right there. HUSA, we trade the stock and energy stock. This one's moving up pretty well. So energy stocks probably would do pretty well too. 9, we trade that stock. Another energy stock. All the energy stocks are moving up pretty well. INNINE. Any else energy stocks out there? This one's gapped up pretty well. Another energy stock. All the energy stocks are moving. INDO. Okay, there you go. I bet not too many people are talking about the energy stock. So there we go. So we'll go out there. We're gonna put a little tweet out there. Let's see what the Donald Trump stock is doing pretty well. Down 18. Looks like it's up a buck. That looks like it's moving up. DJT. There you go. Nice little big slingshot, came back down. Stock's at some big support levels. All right, there we go. Nice little move on that one. We'll keep an eye on that. That looks like it's a moving stock today. DJT. All right, remember, and there's warrants on it. DJTU. You can see it right there. And I think we're done. Nuvex is down there. You can see that. ETCH, we traded this stock before. Looks like they had a reverse stock split. Still swinging INDO. There you go, Randy. Very nice. Very nice. A lot of them are actually doing pretty well. So we'll talk about the energy stocks. All right. Anything we're missing we did not call out for cyber traders? Pretty big, decent list, but a lot of them are like ETFs. You can see it right there. We'll post that on our Telegram, our X, and also on our alert service. So we'll put that out there. All right. Before we go, everybody, and get ready for the market opened up, a couple of quick announcements. Today we got class. Okay, we got phase 2 that's going on. And also, we got Traders Talk. We'll be broadcasting live on social media. So if you're on YouTube, Instagram, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We'll be back here at 12 o'clock. So keep an eye on the energy stocks. They look pretty damn strong still. And then looks like they could be the new quantums. We'll check that out. And then obviously, we'll keep an eye on the HIMS. Maybe you got a good short there. And then we'll keep an eye on the military stocks, see how that stuff plans out. All right, guys? Remember, though, it is Monday. Don't get too cocky. Just focus on the nickels and dimes. Good luck, everyone. We'll be right back. Don't go anywhere. We'll be back in 15 minutes. If you're watching on social media, you kind of want to come and join us live and join our professional trading room. Here's our little QR code. Just take your phone, scan that QR code. I just posted up there, and we'll see you in our trading room. We're here all day. Good luck, everybody. Trade safe. Let's have a fun week, all right? Enjoy class 2 if I don't see you.